Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the process of resetting an Accenta alarm system. Whether you're troubleshooting or need a fresh start with your alarm settings, I'll guide you step by step to get your Accenta alarm back to a clean slate. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Why you may need to reset. First things first, let's quickly talk about why you might want to reset your Accenta alarm system. Common reasons include forgetting your code, experiencing technical glitches or faults, setting it up for a new owner or location. Step 2. Important notes before resetting. Before resetting, keep in mind that a reset will often erase custom settings, like entry and exit delays or zone configurations. Make sure you're prepared to reconfigure the system afterward. Also, resetting without understanding the cause of the issue may not resolve deeper technical problems, so consult the manual if you're facing repeated issues. Scene 3. How to reset an Accenta alarm. Now, let's get into the reset process. Follow these steps carefully. 1. Power down the system. Start by turning off the power supply to your Accenta alarm. You'll usually find this in the control panel. Locate the battery inside the alarm's main unit. Disconnect the battery to fully shut down the system. 2. Reconnecting power. Wait for a few seconds, then reconnect the battery. Restore the mains power supply. The alarm should power back up, and the keypad might flash or make a sound indicating it's back online. 3. Enter the engineer code. Once the system restarts, you'll need to enter the default engineer code if you haven't changed it. Most Accenta systems use a default code like 9999 or 1234. If you have a custom engineer code, enter that instead. 4. Performing the factory reset. After entering the engineer code, you should be able to access the programming or reset options. Navigate to the reset option on the keypad menu. Follow the on-screen or manual instructions to perform the factory reset. This should bring the system back to its original default settings. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how to reset your Accenta alarm system. Remember, resetting should only be done when absolutely necessary. Don't forget to reprogram your settings and test each zone after the reset to ensure everything's in order. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more security tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.